Expired listings on Zillow. In today's video, we are going to guide you how to find expired listings on Zillow. So let's get started. First, begin by opening the Zillow website or application and signing into your account. Once signed in the search bar, type the city, neighborhood, or zip code where you are looking for properties. Zillow does not show a direct expired listing filter since those listings are no longer active. However, you can get close by adjusting the listing status filter. Here, choose sold or off market to view homes that were previously listed but are no longer active. You can also sort by date to find homes that come off the market recently. These are often expired or withdrawn listings. Just click on a property to see its price history. If it was listed for a while and then removed without being sold, that's a sign it may have expired. For the most accurate and up-to-date expired listing, partner with a local real estate agent. Agents have access to the multiple listing services where expired and withdrawn listings are clearly marked. They can also help you contact the owners if you are interested in buying or negotiating directly. So while Zillow does not officially show expired listings, you can still find off-market homes and track down potential leads with the right filters and agent support. So that's all. That's how you will be able to find expired listings on Zillow.